In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply coupon code in Amazon. First, open Amazon in your browser or the mobile app. Make sure you're signed into your account so the promotion applies to the right cart and address. If you're not logged in, some discount options may not show during checkout, so it's best to confirm you're in the correct account before moving on. Next, search for the product you want. Use the search bar and pick the exact item, size, or configuration you plan to buy. It's a good idea to glance at the product details to confirm it's eligible for promotions. Some coupon codes only work on certain items, specific sellers, or categories, and many exclude items sold by third-party merchants. If a code mentions conditions like a minimum purchase or limited time use, keep that in mind as you choose your item. When you're ready, click Add to Cart. Avoid the Buy Now button for this process, because you'll need to be in the cart and checkout flow to enter your code. After adding the item, click the cart icon to review what you're purchasing. Make sure the quantity, color, and any other options are correct, since the discount will calculate based on what's in your cart. Now click Proceed to Checkout. The layout may vary slightly between desktop and mobile, but you'll arrive at the checkout page where you confirm shipping and payment. Scroll until you find the section labeled Gift Cards and Promotional Codes. This is where you'll enter your coupon. On some screens, it may be a small text box or a collapsible area. Just expand it if you don't see it right away. Paste or type your coupon code exactly as provided. Be careful not to include extra spaces before or after the code. Then, click Apply. If the code is valid for the items in your cart, you'll see the promotion reflected immediately. Look at the order summary on the right or at the bottom of the screen on mobile. The discount should appear as a promotion, and your total will update to show the reduced price. If you don't see a change, the code might be expired, restricted to different products, or require a higher subtotal. Double-check the code's terms and your cart contents. When everything looks correct and the discount is showing in the order summary, you're ready to finish. Finally, click Place your order. That's it. When a code is valid, the discount automatically deducts from the total price, and you'll see that reflected before you confirm the purchase. Enjoy your savings and happy shopping.